Let's make miso butter chicken. This is leftover chicken thighs. It just smells very chickeny. Lightly salt and pepper it. Last time I did a little too much salt and I was like, pepper. Wash your hands. For the vegetables, I'm going to use bok choy, super wilted. Then obviously wash them and then they should perk right back up. Miso butter time. I'm gonna do like a tablespoon and a half. I'm gonna warm it up a little. Miso time. Woo! That much? Let's just say 2 tablespoons. Mix that all together. I totally forgot to put sweetener. I think that's good enough. Oil. Flip it. It's perky again. This is what we're working with. It looks a little crazy. Dipped in the miso butter.